So, if you're feeling stuck, scattered, or overwhelmed trying to start something new, this tapping is for you. I am your host, Angie Grant, and here in Don't Make Me Tap Again, we use EFT or the emotional freedom technique to help create calm and peace in your body. Because, well, let's be honest, our nervous system holds on to so much. And it holds on to so much, and then it repeats old patterns. Our nervous system is prepped and primed to react at every little thing. And it's great, right? Thank your nervous system for doing its job, but it also hinders us. It holds us back from creating, from showing up, from being who we really are. So that's what I want to dig into today with some tapping. And like usual, today we are tapping on the current energy that we are in through the lens of human design. You don't need to know anything about human design, but just listen as I talk about what this energy really means. Because every 6 days or so, we move into a new energy and we experience these energies in sometimes subtle ways, sometimes really profound ways. And oftentimes we can't explain why all of a sudden something's bothering us or something's holding us back when the energy that we're in often has some clues and some insights about what we get to do about it. So I love taking the energy that we're in because we're all experiencing it, and then we tap away some of that stress related to what we're all experiencing at this moment in time. So, gate three through traditional human design is called the gate of beginnings. Through quantum human design, it's called the gate of innovation. And what it really means is it's this gate of starting things. It's this gate of getting things going, starting something new. But oftentimes when we start something new, it feels messy or scattered or chaotic or unknown or out of control. And what I love about the way that quantum human design looks at this energy is that, yeah, it feels out of control. It feels messy. It feels uncertain. But we also can use this energy to pull from what has already worked for us in the past. It doesn't have to be frustrating. In fact, using tapping is a great way to find some more clarity because tapping has this beautiful way of helping us get out of our head, which is spinning and causing chaos in our life. Tapping helps us get out of our head and really to settle in with what's right for us. So, without much more to say about that, I really just want to jump in and start tapping on what this energy feels like for me. I encourage you, if it feels right to you, to tap along with me. Of course, you don't have to tap, but tapping only works if you do it. And you might feel some relief, whether or not you're feeling this feeling like you things are messy right now, or they're disorganized, or they're chaotic, or not. Maybe it's just other stressors that your body is holding on to right now. Tapping can be a powerful way to release some of that stress so that you can respond the way you want to, so you can show up the way you want to, so you can stay grounded. That's what I love. I love that it helps us be more present. Tapping helps us be more present because we're not so reactive to what people are saying or what people are doing. So let's jump right in and tap on this energy of gate three, the gate of innovation. So whenever you're ready, I encourage you to follow along with me, follow my tapping and my words together, and let's see if anything shifts. Encourage you before we tap to really check in with yourself to see if you notice anything about your energy. See if you notice if you're feeling a little bit scattered or uncertain. Just notice what's coming up for yourself, because let's check in with that after we go through a couple of tapping sequences and see if anything changes for you. Even though things feel messy right now, and I feel like I don't know what's next, I trust that everything will be okay. Even though I feel this pressure to have everything figured out, to know the next steps, I trust that I'll figure it out when I need to. Even though I'm feeling anxious because, well, I'm stuck in the messy middle right now, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Stop tapping, take a nice deep belly breath. And then on the top of the head. Feels messy right now. Feel pressure to figure it all out. Stuck in the messy middle. Not sure what's next. Feeling uncertain. Feeling out of control. Afraid of what's next. Afraid of the unknown. Nice big belly breath again. And we're going to keep tapping. What if I could clear some space? Are there things that are getting in my way? Are there things that I could organize? Or maybe some old expectations I could let go of? Are there things that are getting in my way of really trusting that it's okay in the messy middle? Are there things that I can clear out so that I can be more comfortable in the messy middle? Another big belly breath. All right, and then we're going to do one more tapping sequence. I trust that everything will be okay. I trust that this chaos I feel is safe. It's okay that it's messy because something new is coming. Something more expansive is going to happen, which means it's okay to shed some of what isn't working. It's safe to get rid of some old expectations. And it's safe to trust that it's going to turn out all right. Nice big belly breath. So check in with yourself. How are you feeling? Did you notice any shifts in any stress that you were feeling in your body? Maybe some physical sensations that you were feeling before we started tapping that now have faded? Or maybe a little bit of that stress is gone. Oftentimes, people will report feeling energized and calm at the same time, or feel more peace, feel more grounded. That's what I hope for you. I hope that you found this tapping sequence or couple of sequences to be helpful in your journey. But of course, if you're feeling stuck, if you need more personalized support about what you're really stuck on, I'd love to help you with that. I have my booking link in the show notes, so check it out. If you feel called to use this strategy to make bigger changes in your life, this is what I'm here to do. So until next time, don't make me tap again. I'm your host, Angie Grant. Talk soon.